Hi, Desiree here at Love That Door. Today we are in our Frisco showroom answering some of your most frequently asked questions. How long do iron doors last? The longevity of your iron door really depends on how well you're looking out and taking care of it. They can last up to 30 years or longer with the right care and maintenance. These doors are designed for extreme weather conditions, whether it's high winds, snowstorms, high temperatures. If you live in a high moisture area or by the beach, you'll want to make sure that you're looking out for any rust or corrosion, and cleaning it off is going to help expand the lifespan of your product. Any door is made of 100% steel with a good zinc coating, not inherently a powder coating. Again, depends on your area, but if you have a good zinc coating versus a powder coating or just a simple paint, it's really going to help protect your product from any peeling, chipping, or rusting, as long as it's well maintained and taken care of. Wrought iron sturdiness not only increases the longevity of your product, but it also acts as a really great deterrent and security enhancement for your home, deterring any burglary or easy access to your home.